What's going on, everyone? This is Clear Virus back in action. Have been here in a while. I've been doing literally anything other than YouTube. I stream a lot more. That's what I mean to do. But here, unrelated, I got new shoes. I'm not a big shoe guy. I've never been the biggest man when it comes to shoes. But lately, I don't know, I've been getting into it. So I ordered myself a pair of Adidas NMD R2 PrimeKnits from footlocker.com. Link below and in the description. I can't remember what model these are. They're black and white, what we're about to see. Here we are. So I got, that's it there. Now if you're wondering why it's size 8, I'm 5'5", 6.5. There they are. I haven't actually got to look at this yet. The photo on the website was pretty good. See what's like. Oh, they're nice. So that's it there. I will do a video, well, not a video, but I will show you them on my foot. At the moment, these are the only trainers I own, which are Nike, my Nike Free RNs, which are the first trainers I ever wore because I just always wore boots. So here's the shoe. So it is, like I said, Adidas NMD R2 PK. I'll put the style code and everything in the description and the link in the description if you feel like you want to get it. So that's the shoe there. I'll get both of them out to show you. So that's them there. I think, quite frankly, I think they're really nice. No, the shit with a bit of dust on them, ruined. I have to send them back. So that's all the shoe. So now I'm going to be showing you what's like on foot. So that is my unboxing of the shoes and me actually wearing the shoes, and overall I can say after putting them on and literally walking about 10 steps, these shoes are amazing. As in the boost technology on the sole of the foot, the actual white part is unbelievably comfy. I say it's comfier than my Nike Free runs. Don't have the biggest field size, I think it's called, but they're amazing. The fabric over the top of the foot there is so snug, so comfy and so warm, and honestly I think they're class. I'd rather move with Nikes when you saw me than fuck them in the bin anyway, so they're gone. But overall I'm very happy with the shoe. I think the shoes are class. I can give them super high recommendations to anyone. Like I said, I'll leave them in the description. I got them from footlocker.co.uk. At the time when I bought them, it was 150 quid, but I noticed as soon as I saw them 2 days after, it was down to 84.99. So I just missed the January sales because it is just Christmas here once I'm recording. So hopefully you'll be lucky enough and get them for 84.99. That's pounds. I don't know about dollars or anything like that. Anyway, highly recommend it, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing them from now on. Anyway, so if you enjoyed the video, and I hope to do more unboxings of shoes, technology, whatever. If you enjoyed, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and peace. See ya.
What would you give them out of 10?
I give them a shoe out of 10. I give them a size 8 out of 10.